How to import audio into Audiate. First of all, open Audiate on your computer. Once the program is launched, look for the option to import a file, which is usually found on the main screen or under the file menu at the top left corner. Click on Import to begin selecting the audio file you want to bring into the software. Next, navigate to the folder where your audio file is stored. Audiate supports many common audio formats like WAV, MP3, M4A, and more. So pick the file you want to work on and select it. After clicking Open, the audio will start loading into Audiate and you will see the waveform appear on the timeline after you click the waveform icon in the bottom left corner. After your audio is loaded, take a moment to review it on the timeline. Audiate allows you to edit and transcribe audio with ease, so importing your file correctly is the first step toward smooth editing. If you want to import more than one audio track, you can repeat the import process for each file and Audiate will stack them in your project. And that's it. Now you know how to import audio into Audiate. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.